Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Crypto.com DeFi Wallet for staking and swaps, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the Crypto.com DeFi Wallet app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app once it's installed. Create a new wallet by selecting Create a new wallet on the welcome screen. Follow the prompts to set a secure password for your wallet. Make sure to write down the recovery phrase provided. Store it in a safe place. After securing your recovery phrase, you will be directed to the main wallet interface. To set up staking, navigate to the Earn section in the app. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to stake from the available list. Review the staking options and select the type and amount you wish to stake. Confirm the transaction and allow the app to process your staking request. Now let's discuss swapping. Return to the main wallet interface to find the swap feature. Select the cryptocurrency you want to swap from your wallet. Enter the amount you wish to swap. Then select the cryptocurrency you wish to receive. Review the swap details including fees and rates. Confirm the swap request and wait for the transaction to be processed. Once completed, you will see the updated balance in your wallet. By following these steps, you will effectively set up your Crypto.com DeFi wallet for staking and swaps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.